Hey YouTube, Jeff here. What I have in my hand are bow releases. I have two options, because I don't have my dad's with me. Otherwise, I would have three options. Yeah, I only have two. This first one I have is by Fire, and it's just a strap, pretty much. And you strap it around your wrist. I used to like this one a lot because it helped me pull back, but since I gotten stronger over the years, I don't really need that help anymore, so I switched to this one. This one is really sensitive, so if you're wearing gloves, don't put your finger right there until you're ready to shoot. So yeah, beware of that sensitivity on this one if you're gonna buy it. One good thing about this one is that hands are kind of free to do pretty much almost anything. So that's good. Next one I got here is, I forget who it's by, but you need to get through. I think that's no. But yeah, I don't know who it's by, but you can pretty much see this one everywhere. But you may need to now. Okay. But okay. But you pretty much see this model everywhere, pretty much with almost every brand I've noticed. Some are black, some are camel. Tighten it right there. Like that. You're not hands-free with this one, so it's not that great. It's a downer on that one. And positive thing on this one, it's not as sensitive. So that's a good thing. That's pretty much it. Yeah. See you next time.